I think nobody is there. Some people have come on behalf of a certain company, they're paying themselves, but they use the company. That's good.
Many times it has happened from week to week.
What's on the menu? Spread.
Shall not have lost the cold.
Meet everyone.
Okay, it's recording.
Linear motion drive के साथ.
Decision.
This is one plant.
Why we are waiting?
We
are waiting.
Actually,
You want some sound bites?
We wait for more 5 minutes if anyone comes.
I think all have come.
You want us to say something?
No.
Dandi March?
Yeah, some banana
हम यहाँ सही में दांडी मार्च हुआ ना एक दिन पहले.
Do you want to be in the picture?
Later on, maybe no, not now.
Picture with camera.
So everyone can give me their addresses and I can send them CDs if they want.
You sure? In the long run? I think it is not for long run. Yeah, you can
Short run.
It is
Very short.
a permanent ID and password for you. You can keep accessing it and keep.
Everybody ready? Shall we start now?
You start moving there.
Please come.
चलो पैदल ही चल रहे.
Decide the date.
Next Sunday we are going to this outside. Next Sunday.
Sunday?
We'll take almost full day.
क्या था?
23rd of February will take almost.
जाओ 10 मिनट में आ जाओ.
आगे देखिए वो दो सेकंड में सॉरी
No, it's okay.
मशीन का बहुत डिवाइड टू वन विल कम एंड
वैसे ही इतने सारे तो एक ही लाया
उधर उधर जगह ना छोटा सा सेल्फ
फ्री मिलेगा
दो जगह दे रहा है ऑडियो विल कैप्चर
We'll see all these things only in the
देख नहीं पा रहा सेक्शन हो गया कितना बजेगा 9 बजे के बाद
territory of ma'am, this is the territory of Jagrati.
I only told her that, I will go to this side of the campus so that, but she'll have a lot of other administrative issues to attend to. So I said I will take you all. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please enjoy. Can the others join? Then we can go as a group.
Okay.
Where is Bharat Bhai? Did the Pune...
He's coming. He's coming.
He's also coming.
You are there.
Yeah, he's coming.
He's coming. Somebody.
Can we all move as a group? Then it will be easier.
10 कदम
Means all together or
Okay, before we move on, I think I'll give you a small introduction about the campus. It's about 100 acres and the new campus was relatively new phenomenon. It was built about 5-6 years back. This campus is almost 50 years. This institute itself is completing its 50th year now. So we are having our Golden Jubilee celebrations right now. This whole year we are going to celebrate it as the 50th year. And so this campus is the old campus. And the architecture is quite unique on this side. You would have noticed there that it's a combination of brick and concrete. Whereas this side it is completely brick and it's a special brick. When you go back, I will just come up to the basement and show you some of the photographs where the architect of this place is. You can see the photographs there. So I will just help you with that when you people are getting back. Okay. On this side we have the residences. Like we all stay on the campus. Faculty, staff, all the residences are there. Plus dormitories for the students. On that side again, the main program that's happening on that side is the PGP for executive. It's a 1-year residency program for people with about 7 years, minimum 7 years work experience. That's a 1-year program. And on this side mainly we have the 2-year, that's our flagship program, PGP, that's known as postgraduate program in management. And we have one postgraduate program in agribusiness management. Then we have a doctoral program. So main classes happen on this side. Of course, there are a few classrooms and dormitories on that side also because the class strength has really grown more than 400 right now. So that is how we have 2 campuses. Okay. So since we don't have the kind of capacity to accommodate this huge number on this side, we have held the program on that side. That's a relatively new place with better amenities in one sense. Yeah. And this side of course is greener because it's an old yeah.
Rate is that.
चलो छोड़ के जाओ चलेगा नो प्रॉब्लम
And you can see a cafeteria eat, whereas the PGP executive program participants, they all eat in the same mess where you people are. They eat upstairs and I think you people are eating downstairs. So they have a different arrangement, whereas the regular 2-year program participants, they come on this side. Everything happens on this side. And this is a store where you can get t-shirts and other curios. This is run by the students. So whenever you are free in the evening, you can drop by and pick up whatever.
What about the other?
Okay. That is actually started by an alumni. That's also a similar one. And here you get typically for the students, meant for the students. So you can have a choice. You can pick it up from here or from there. Maybe certain items are there and not here. Certain items are here and not. Okay. We'll go this side now. These are all the dormitories start from here. side, this is dormitory 1, which is typically identified as ladies. So the dorm starts from here and they extend beyond. I mean, I will show them to you as when we move. Please. And this side we have the residences. You start going on this side. You can all start exploring the campus when you get some time in the evening. I'm sure right now you're all packed fully. But if you're all one of those who get up early in the morning and want to go for a walk, you can just go on this side and check it out. Okay. No, we are not doing. Yeah, I mean that's why a campus visit is an absolute essential part of the program, because you're going to be here for a month, so you can explore quite a bit on your own. Okay.
ಡಿಜಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ
ಬಿಡು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಡೋಣ ನಾವು,
ನಾವೇ ಬರೋಣಲ್ಲ.
ಈ ಗ್ರೂಪದ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಬರೋಣ ಬಿಡು.
ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮೇ ಫೋಟೋ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪೋಸ್ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೆಗಿಯೋದು.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಬರೋಣ ತಿರ್ಗಾ.
ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಿದೆ.
This is the main most attractive feature of this plaza. This is where our convocation takes place. All the faculty and the chairs for the students and the guests will be arranged here, and lighting and all that will be done. So this is our main open air auditorium time. We have our cultural festivals and any event in the institute which happens, it basically happens here. So this is one of the best open air places there. There in the center you have the library. On the left you have all the faculty and faculty research associates and the secretaries. They are seated on that side. On the right you have classrooms in the first floor, and in the ground floor you have all the other offices like CCP office, HPM office. Those offices are also there. So this is one major where a lot of activities are going on. So let's go to the library. Let's Bharat bhai.
It's very unique now.
आप सबको उठा के फोटो ले रहा, सीढ़ी पे अच्छा फोटो आएगा। आगे सब बोल रहा हूँ। पीछे साइड में बता दो। वेरी सिंपल।
After the case only, he decided to take camera.
ಡಿಜಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗ್ಸ್ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ.
एक लेंगे क्या? थोड़ा सा
एक
क्लिक करना जोर से थोड़ा है ना.
Okay, come on.
एक मिनट हाँ
आपका चाहिए, आपका भी खड़ा है. मैं लेता हूँ. इसको पकड़ना है सिर्फ.
ऐसे पकड़ के ऐसे जस्ट
जाइए.
Make sure we are covered, huh?
Thanks. Thank you.
एग्जाम கிடையாது एग्जाम स्टैंड अलग से लिया हुआ है
हाँ हाँ
अपने दे सब लोग गए क्लास में सब बैठ के फोटो क्लासरूम
क्लास आने लगा
நான் இங்கே படிச்சுன்னு காமிக்கிறேன் 3 இயர்ஸ்க்கு MBA கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணதுனா இதே வந்தா இது கரெக்ட் நான் இங்கே தான் முடிச்சேன் MBA கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிருக்காரு உங்களுக்கு பக்கத்துல
These classrooms are also fully air conditioned. Yeah, these are regular CGP 2-year postgraduate. Even with that, you have to get through GD and there is a last round, you know, interview and GD round, which is also tough. Ali?
पकड़ के लो just hold down here and just
We'll exchange videos later. And compare.
yeah
They are not typically dormitories, you know, they are basically hostels. So someone that stays long has got stuck with these
sometimes handle sort of pain
sunlight and darkness kind of thing. this corridor is one of the most photographed corridors in India. Corridor of power is something. Corridor of future power, because these guys will become, like you all. Thank you. Actually, right now they have. Meanwhile, I can just explain the architecture. Basically, if you observe from here, you can see the arches, everywhere. And I mean, just look at the height of these buildings, and everywhere you can see arches, high ball, So, I think the vision is that basically, it is eye of knowledge, like the institute believes in spreading knowledge, and this is like an eye motif everywhere, So that is one important feature that you can notice. And this whole building was designed by one Louis Kahn, by one architect named Louis Kahn. He is basically a German architect settled in the US. That is how this whole place got
Louis Kahn Plaza.
Louis Kahn
Plaza.
Kahn meaning K-A-H-N, not K-H-A-N. It is Louis Kahn. It's a German.
Like Oliver Kahn.
That is how this whole area is named after him. Yeah? We can just go up to there and come.
There's some steps, well-known steps.
Yes, we will go there.
लाइब्रेरी के अंदर नहीं छोड़ेंगे. पिक्चर ले सकते हैं भाई साहब अंदर?
हाँ, क्यों नहीं?
खुला है अभी?
हाँ.
और बाद में मैं भी वापस जाएंगे.
हाँ, बंद करेंगे.
Yes, 1 year.
हाँ.
सब लोग आके ऑलमोस्ट एवरी ईयर। ये 70 में नहीं आया लगता है कोई। 70, 78, 79, 80।
चलो बीच वाला दीपक वाले
No, they'll join, ma'am. They'll join us. We can continue.
Yeah, you can come back and stay here. But you need to book the room in advance because rooms are at a premium. And yeah, there will be some special charges for you. You won't be charged the market. That's it.
This is also
This is a jogging track for the early morning racers. Of course, you don't have to come this far. Even there, you know,
yeah, they have a good.
you can just
yeah.
that's
I think the vacant land there in the new campus also they plan to do a ground something of this sorts, ma'am. The vacant land in the new campus, they have a big ground.
They have a lot of plans. I don't know what is going to finally materialize, but they have some sports complex and all that in mind.
This is the library one.
Which one? These are all the hostel blocks.
Hostel block.
Hostel blocks.
I think this part, I think
is the bank.
It's this photo is there. I think in one of
This
the
photo will be
line,
there.
all the blocks.
This photo will be there.
This is again this corridor. This is the convocation route.
Okay.
As I was telling you, this is the convocation route. Okay. It starts from here and then ends up at Louis Gantt.
How many wings are this? This 17. These are wings.
There are 18
wings.
dormitories on this side.
18.
The remaining ones are on that side. We have the regular PGP staying on that side also.
ये इंस्टीट्यूट
अंदर जाइएगा।
There is a meeting room. From the meeting hall. We have a total of more than 1 lakh books in this library. Yeah. new arrivals are kept on that side, and these are all our own faculty. Meera, you showed them the individual cameras.
Yes.
Please go ahead.
I do not know exactly how far it is right.
No, he was coming. I thought I'll pose for him. I think we can still do it. Do you want to read?
No, Raja San. Uncle Raja.
That's going to be at the frame. Yeah, I will explain to you Vikalpa because I was part of Vikalpa. Can you just go again one of the most photographed rooms because you can see we have two more floors. We are on the first floor, second floor. Third floor, we have one and more, we have one volume. These are the transition floors.
So you've come in my video, so I can exchange. I think I must have come in your video, so we'll exchange. You take my photo, I take your photo.
Those of you who are interested in accessing the library after becoming alumni, I have asked Meera to do this.
Yeah, you take the online membership by paying, I think it's a non-refundable deposit of 7,000 or something, and then annual 4,000.
Okay.
You have to renew it every year, and then you get access to the library databases and all.
Meaning that's a separate fee that they have to pay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because they become automatic alumni
Yeah.
members and we
Then you
transfer.
have to provide this certificate of the program attended.
Okay.
And take the membership.
By paying this.
So this is for electronic library.
Yes, database.
Is it like every book is digitized or?
No, it's a yes.
It's for whatever is there in the electronic library?
Yeah, if you visit on the lab, you can take the books.
During the stay, are they allowed to issue books or they can only refer the?
No, they cannot issue on their name.
Okay.
MDP office.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are most welcome to refer. You can read. Yeah, you can come.
Hindu, Sarvapalli Sarvapalli.
Come.
The tour is actually sort of inspiring us to maybe prepare and come for a proper full-time program actually.
Okay, these are the steps that we saw from we saw this place from there. So the staircase is again one of those most photographed staircases.
Brain game.
I'm not underestimating myself, I'm just saying. How is it?
Very good evening, sir.
All of you, please, can you just come here?
I am Anil. I look after this library. This library is one of the best business school libraries in this part of the world. There are around more than 2 lakh items, books and long volumes which are stacked here. Our annual budget crosses around 4 crore of rupees every year, which is into books, periodicals, databases, CD-ROMs and other multimedia resources. In addition to just subscribing to journals and this information, we also try to generate, archive the knowledge that is generated in the institution. So if you're looking at working papers of faculty, doctoral dissertations of students or some project reports of students, they're all digitized and put up. And we have a system where it is archived in a software. So you can access it from anywhere on the campus. The subscribed databases, we have basically 2 types, where the PGP students are our flagship program which is there. Most of them access the industry and company databases, which gives them data on companies, on industries, industry sectors, market research reports. The other group, target group, is our doctoral students, faculty and research students who look at scholarly journals as such. So we subscribe to more than 5,000 odd journals across databases, and so basically it is scholarly information and industry information. There are 2 categories which we cater to. In addition to serving our internal users, we also help anybody who is doing research related to any management area in this country. They can write to us and we respond to them with whatever information they want. We have something called as the National Information Center on Management, through which the individuals can become members. If suppose you want to write a paper on, say, supply chain management in retailing industry, okay, you don't get access to such good libraries everywhere. So you become a member of that center and you can send us your topic. We search through all the journals and send you a list. Okay, and from that list you can select what is useful to you, and then we will send you the full text. Other than that, there are researchers who come and stay here whenever their accommodation is available, and they do the library research on a temporary basis. So we try to encourage research in the entire country and management. But this is a very brief thing. If you want to ask any questions, please.
If you want a real regular presentation, depending on the time, you would be willing to make a presentation for the entire group also in the class. So basically, you people will have to take a call on that. Yes, depending on your time slot, your availability.
They are from different sectors?
Yeah,
they are different sectors. We're from the industry.
Companies, yeah.
And different sectors also.
Different sectors, absolutely.
So amongst yourselves, you can discuss, and then if there is a free slot, you can just let me know and I'll coordinate with them, and we can have a presentation on the library and what are the...
If at all you're interested in long term...
Yeah, we're looking at long term actually.
Then
you can do it any day after our sessions are over. In the last week, you can have half an hour.
So let us work it out, yeah, then I can confirm.
Generally,
we were also looking at memberships, library memberships.
We have external library memberships, but see, we can't give you online access to these resources because there are some copyright agreements we make with publishers. But to circumvent that and facilitate research, we do that and send it to them.
Okay.
Because we can't directly give you access to, say, Elsevier or Wiley reports or journals.
That's
For example, there is a writer's terminal here, which we pay around roughly $1,500 a month, and this is dedicated to only one terminal. Even my users cannot access it from anywhere. This gives you live capital market data from all over the world as it happens. So, these sort of things you will not be able to access.
No, but as an alumni, in case we're coming here anytime or something,
we have an alumni membership provision also, which is very, very nominal, like 500 rupees a year. When you become a member of the library, you can come and use the library. You will not be able to issue books. If you have to issue books, there is a different membership. There is some deposit that is collected. But as alumni, you are entitled to become a member.
Okay, as an alumni, but online database, are we allowed to access? I mean, post being an alumni?
Once you become a member, you become an authorized user of the library.
Okay.
So we don't restrict that you can't use this section.
Okay.
Everything is... And now we are open 24/7, so alumni who are staying in and around Ahmedabad, they do come and...
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Please turn to the right. Where are the other ones?
I think so. Yeah, they're all. I think they were all inside, huh?
Two groups. We had become two groups, no?
They are there, I think.
Oh.
Huh?
Oh, there's someone else taking them around, I think.
Where are
I
they?
didn't know that.
I think all are there.
Everyone is here?
No, some have already gone, I think. Further.
They must have gone that side.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, before we just go down, I thought I'll just tell you about Vikalpa and Alumni. These are two publications of our institute. Vikalpa is, of course, a scholarly journal, and I was associated with that for many years. And I have been in this institute for 30 years, almost 30 years. So I was part of that for almost 25 years. Then I moved on to become the manager of, we had one public policy program. It was there for 3 years. I was in charge of that, and then I have moved to this current position as manager MD. Okay. So Vikalpa, you will, right now when you are leaving the place, you will get one copy of the latest issue. After that, for 3 more issues, that is 1 year, subscription is free. You don't have to pay anything. After that, from the office, you will get a reminder saying, your subscription is expiring. Would you like to renew? And there are special rates for people who are alumni. You don't have to pay the market rate. So you can pay that and then renew the thing. Okay. Regarding alumni, it is you don't have to make any payment at all. It is free for your life. So you'll be getting one. It's 3 times a year. Vikalpa is 4 times a year. So alumni will, once you will be given some instructions on getting into our alumni database. Once you follow that, once you are registered there, then you will be getting your alumni journal. You need to basically keep updating if there is any change of address or whatever, change of designation, change of organization and all that. And then that will keep getting posted at your address. Okay.
Thank you. We'll go next.
See, this was probably the first convocation. This is how the procession route is here. So you plan to join the library?
Yeah.
Newspapers and all, whenever they talk about the institute, any news about the institute, immediately they will feature these steps and so this again is the most photographed and these are known as the handles. You also famous yeah, it must be pretty old. Yeah, we have a bank here. That's right, is there an ATM now? Only ATM is not.
But do they have a medical shop here or something?
Yeah, that medical shop is on the
okay.
Where we gather
on that,
that place
Apollo.
Okay, okay.
Acha, some photo up there. That's again, a good place for photographs. Huh? What you guys can do is plan later on, some evening, late evening kind of a thing. All of you can just sit there and take one. That's a very special location actually. Yeah, basically we have the bank here, we have the post office there. Then the dispensary is right here.
Oh, okay.
It's in this dorm. Okay, and these are all dormitories. I mean, these are all hostels. Entire building that you see on this side. In fact, here also it is hostel upstairs and ground floor they have that. And that stretches up to that corner, hostel block. Okay, so this is the dispensary. If in case there is any issue, this is where the doctors. Nehru Park, you're not sharing the compound.
Why, obviously, I'm not, it's not Nehru Park, I was about the Nirma school.
Just after new campus. Okay. Okay, there. That's you tend to go home in the night or something, or any of you interested in seeing the gym?
Yeah, definitely. Could have a look at the gym.
On this side? Yeah? Would you like to see? Come.
Please have a look. Yeah, anyway, stay at 20 days out of.
You've seen everything this side? Gym? Anybody interested in seeing the gym?
Only see.
Hi, Mayur.
No working out.
The faculty members are staying here.
Yeah, those are all faculty houses.
They have separate.
There you can see the buildings there. The residences start from here. Those buildings that you see are all faculty residences.
New and old put together is 100 acres?
30 plus, yeah. It's a lovely campus, whatever. Huge.
Of course, we coexist with monkeys and dogs and peacocks. A lot of peacocks we have here on the campus.
It's a lot of flora and fauna.
Just now you saw. Yeah, monkeys we have.
It was too fast. I think there's a coffee book in the memo shop I've seen with a lot of flora and fauna with all the pictures.
White horses, white
That's only in, in a place in Gujarat. Yeah.
Kutch.
Yeah, Kutch. Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, nice gym.
Western animal.
Have you seen KMTC set? No.
One trainer to one.
Oh, okay. It has become black.
Group actually those buildings came up first, this came up education. So, classroom and office space came up first. Then, yeah.
But some of the MDP programs are still conducted here, ma'am?
Yeah. In fact, one program is going on right now.
Oh.
Leadership and Change Management. That program is happening here.
Because that's why I was wondering.
Simultaneously, 3 programs are going on.
At any usual point.
One here,
Okay.
one yours, and then Agri Input Marketing.
Okay, agri
That's
input.
happening.
I think even the senior top management program
That
also
just
was
got
just
over.
got over 2 days. Yeah. But how many participants were there for that program, ma'am? Usually for senior management.
21.
21.
Yeah.
Okay.
हाँ? ऑडिटोरियम हाँ खोल दीजिए यहाँ पे पहले दिखा के मैं this side of the center is named as Kasturbai Lalbai because as director was talking to you on the first day, this institute,
prominent.
You know, Kasturbai Lalbai was one of the pioneer founders of this institute.
Recently,
Nice.
It's a recent. Where we can have parties, some late evening dinners sometimes we organize here. This is a nice cordon lawn tent. This is a big part of this side of the
बाद में एक्सक्लूसिव आएंगे परफेक्ट फोटो लेने के लिए पोज मार के हम सब हमारे टीम लोग
This is just a survey.
दिस इज प्रेजेंट जस्ट ये सर्वे यहाँ पे सब बिलियर्ड पूल गिल सब This is slightly bigger, I
You
think.
also have a TV in your room. TV and a small kettle coffee ticket. Only thing this place, if there is a need, it becomes a double, like some in-company programs, you know, there are a lot of in-company programs happening on this side. And when there are no rooms available,
Just like the
then they
LIT.
just, yeah, I know. But one thing is there, you know, the grass is always greener on the other side. I pulled it from your mouth, right? Leadership and change is going on that side. On our office side. See, for those who are attending programs here, no, when I took them to the, like for example, the top tier program just that day, to take part in 3TP.
This is the MDP office. It is not there.
Where it was
It is common for both.
yeah.
I'm married. Money was very much there, but somehow he was monitoring the activities outside, you know, to make sure everything was in place. So he couldn't come inside. Suresh had come that day. Sudhiran had also come.
Yeah.
So this is our office. We have a few more who are right now not there. My office is right here.
People behind the scene to keep us comfortable. Thank you.
And they've all done a fantastic job. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, this is my small little domain.
நல்லா இருக்கு.
நல்லா இருக்கா?
ஆமா.
Campus is it?
Yeah, right.
Girish?
Hello.
Hi. Right now he is busy handling the army program. We have a 6-month army program, which is happening on the campus. So he is fully looking after that program.
So we hope you are enjoying being in the campus.
Yeah, very much.
It's well planned and
Actually, I mean, thanks to all the pre-planning done by all you people, so. Super. It's a great job.
The whole thing is a team effort.
Yeah.
So, a lot of team effort goes into the activities.
That's true.
Otherwise it's difficult to manage.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.
You will be meeting him very soon when you have birthday parties coming up and all that.
Oh, great.
Here to photograph you all.
Great.
He's a technical person.
Audio visual and in charge of photos and all that.
Great, yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
You know that there is one parapet kind of thing just outside.
Yeah.
This is where one student is lying down on that. There are some photos even here. No, these are all taken by professional new campus. This is also new campus. These are the harbor streets. This is the Vivekananda Plaza, where we stood and looked at the boat. This is the library staircase that I was talking to you about. This is the library entrance.
Why is it called Harvard Steps? Is it because there is a similar structure in Harvard? Or?
I don't know, but I think there is a similar. That's why
I was not aware that they have this underground connection.
Yeah.
How to
I
go
thought
the
we have
other
to
side.
go from the outside because when I came,
They showed the different
the
side.
taxi drivers asked me
Face
whether you want to go to the new
New
or
one or old one. Yeah, luckily they themselves picked us.
Actually, they arranged a pickup for me also, but then I don't know. No, the guy was not there.
Travels आदमी था ना उधर.
नहीं उधर ही है काउंटर है just outside of airport. No, on the airport itself, not outside. Inside.
Room is there, na? Hotel में permit room is there. It's not fully furnished. Same, look like the same, no change in it.
Oh, Gautam Datta, no? My God.
Nice, no? None of these people may be.
Sorry sir, photographs करने allowed नहीं है.
Not allowed.
नहीं है?
अंदर मत please sir.
ठीक है जी, सॉरी.
Five.